Hi, this is Conra, and today I am working on a problem where we are taking the composition of two functions, which are given to us as diagrams, and we are trying to find the domain and the range of that composition. So first of all, I want to make sure that I know which problem I am doing. So I am taking g of f of x, and that means that I'm taking g of f of x. That means that I take an x value and I plug it into the function f. I get an output. We can call that output f of x. Then we plug that into the function g, and the output from that we call g of f of x. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at 0. 0 is in the domain of f. F sends 0 to 7. And now I want to see what g does with 7. Except 7 is not in the domain of g. That means that this part fails. That means that 0 isn't going to work. So now I am going to try 3. F sends 3 to 6. And now I look for 6 in the domain of g, and I see it here, and I see that g sends 6 to 4. So I'm going to start again with 5. F sends 5 to 0. And 0 gets sent by g to 4. Then I'm going to start with 6. F sends 6 to 0 as well. And 0 gets sent to 4. And 9. F sends 9 to 3. And 3 is in the domain of g, and g sends it to 4. So I have these numbers here. These numbers here are in the domain. And I have these numbers here. These numbers are in the range. So for each of these, I have a finite set of numbers. For each of these, I have a finite set of numbers. So I am going to use the notation where I use curly braces and separate my members of my set with commas. And for range, I'm going to do the same thing, except there's no such thing as being in the set 4 times. You're either in the set or you're out of the set. And so 4 is in the set, so the range is just the set containing the singleton 4. Hope that helps. It's a little different than the explanation you see other places sometimes.